showed him.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning and fire alarm went off.
People to still got it, so I'll go and find the
Fire
biggest
engines, they can't see it.
Because it's a last occasion,
1 in
you
the
haven't got to
morning,
worry
I'm
about
wide awake.
finding holes, you haven't got to worry about the rubbish.
Yeah, I'm telling him.
Yeah.
Pardon me.
Well, when he first told me that he's got a blood control diabetes with his meds,
We've been told we have to stand out here for another 30 minutes. Wait, I'm just wondering what Nana Lil's reaction would be like.
don't ring her.
I'm not gonna. No, I'm not.
God's sake.
No, like if she.
Top of the morning.
No, if she was here and this
Oh,
happened.
we'd have had trouble getting her down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unless someone carries her down.
She said to me, because she was talking about if we go
We've been informed we have to stay out here for another 30 minutes. It's freezing. Now the little stick figure.
and she said exactly.
You can see the blue. Yeah, it's bonkers. I'm going blind because of the light. How is the fire alarm still going off?
I'm sorry. I've got to say, when we
It's 1 in the morning and I've had Coke and now I'm wide awake. I probably won't be able to go back to bed until like 4 in the morning.
unfortunately, what's his name, Mark, who lived next door, our son knocked on the door. It was a young man. He was good name. I mean, I got on board.
Hello!
And he knocked on the door. It was only a couple of
It's a little puppy.
just to let you know, I got to see some blue lights.
Well, that's what I'm doing at 1 o'clock in the morning. Like and subscribe.